Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster and also for my German friends and viewers. Ja, hallo, ich bin der German Candy Taster und ja, ich habe hier was zum Testen vom Aldi. Aldi Süd. Ja, this is from Aldi here in Germany. I'm not sure how this is going to taste with here. Cookies in the Subway style. White ones with white chocolate, and the special thing about these is they are kind of soft. Yeah, oh, this looks quite good. I think this will be the thumbnail. Here, they are quite soft. Here, I can bend them easily. Yeah, let me taste. Ja, it tastes quite interesting. Ja, auf Deutsch schmeckt überhaupt nicht interessant. Ja. Okay, there came someone and hit my mirror of the car because I'm in the car because I went to McDonald's. Yeah, quite interesting. I will continue in German. Ja, also Leute, schmeckt gar nicht interessant, also überhaupt nicht wie Keks irgendwie. Yeah, okay, so how do I rate it? I think this is quite good. Yeah, could be more chocolate in it. Let me switch to English again, to German. Ja, also ich finde, die schmecken gar nicht, also überhaupt nicht nach Keks. Yeah, so how do I rate it? I think this is quite good of a product, and somehow, yeah, I think this is one of the best cookies I know. Really good of a cookie. You have to buy it. I can recommend it. Yeah. And the rating will be in German. Ja, Leute, also ich finde, das sind total die ekelhaften Kekse. Das schmeckt irgendwie gar nicht. Ja, gibt 1 von 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.